So as you saw at the start, I leave my phone and I don't use it until 11. It's 11:05, and now I'm gonna open my messages from like the last whatever since yesterday at 11 o'clock, because apparently that's when I was asleep. So now I'm just gonna go through, see what people are saying, but I feel it's so important to have that first bit of the morning just for myself. So I have these things that I do that make me happy and make me able to be the person that I want to be able to function. And I find that if I cloud my mind straight away with like social media and what everyone's saying, I don't get to do that. I don't get to have my time for me. So that's why I don't use my phone until 11, and I would definitely recommend it whatever time you choose, your own time, but have some time in the morning where you just don't look at your phone. Like, let that not be the first thing that you do, so you actually wake up and experience your own life and your own bubble and hear your own thoughts, you know? It's just my little 2 cents, I guess.